Friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with another video which is about gradient network unsupported problem, how to solve the unsupported problem. Also, I will show you how to connect your extension, how to download extension and connect your extension with gradient networks extension, how to add. Also, don't worry about that. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel and join our Telegram channel also, so that you will be updated and get different tips and tricks on new minings and airdrops. So let's get started, not by wasting our time. I have just joined 4-5 days ago this gradient network, and I have currently 101.84 balance here. You can see, and today's reward, you can see the today's reward is 3.06. First, our problem or what we need to do is, first thing first, how you can connect with the extension gradient networks extension. Okay, if you are new to the gradient network, I have given the link in description. Go there, and step by step guide is also available. Now first you need to join the Twitter handle, connect with the Twitter. You need to connect your Twitter handle with gradient network, connect it, authorize app, yeah, and also follow our Twitter. We need to follow them. Follow gradient network, yeah, done following the gradient network. Now it's pending. Let's leave it here. We will add extension manually. Okay, so I will be giving exact extension of gradient network, gradient sentry node, and you just click there, and here you will see add to Chrome. I have already added it on my extension. You can see gradient sentry node. So remove from Chrome. In this place you will see add to Chrome. You just click there and do refresh. Your extension will be ready, and go to the gradient network dashboard like this. In mobile device you will get it very quickly. So when you open the extension, here is good, here is written good. This must be seen while you are joining this, when you activate the extension here. Now many people see the problem of gradient network unsupported problem. Okay, when you use different with different device, and when you try to use different device at the same time, you have installed in different devices, this must be the reason for unsupported, because it only works on one IP, not many. That means under one network you have to, or your device need to be, you need to have the device, a single device that can be connected with the gradient network extension here. If you are connecting with more than one, then you will face the problem. Make sure you are following this very carefully, and try, if you can do with your family members' phone or laptops, you can do it. But remember, it tracks your IP address. And how you can earn from this is, whenever you open the internet, or whenever your internet is running, then at the same time you are earning these points. These are EXP points, and this EXP points will be changed into the gradients network tokens, same like the grass network. You might have done that, same like the grass, you already did that. So this is only the thing I want to share with you for now. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it, and also mention in comment box if you need more things about this. If I didn't clear your queries, just let me know on comment box. I will try to make next video with clear steps for you. So thank you for watching.